Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do some more Pit Boss grilling. Today we're going to do some vegetable kebabs and a ribeye steaks. That's right, you heard it right. Vegetable kebabs and ribeye steaks. Let's get grilling. Well, look here what I got. I got this Italian seasoning I got from Walmart. Shake it up very well. I really like Italian seasoning on my meats and vegetables. Gives it a great flavor, awesome flavor. I love it. I always been loving it for 30 years that way. So here we go. We're going to pour it on our meat. Going to marinate, for about 3 or 4 hours. It was 4 hours. So here we go. We're just going to pour it on there. Let them soak. I'm going to leave the containers open just like they are. Just go that way. That's the way we're going to do it. Man, look at this thing smoking. Look at this thing here. Woo! I like to see that. Look at that. Alright, here's what we got here. This vegetable kebabs, marinated in just only the Italian seasoned dressing. Italian seasoned dressing only. Look at there. Also got a little surprise. I'm gonna do some ribeye steaks too. And I got this today. I saw this today. It's called Country Pleasing brand. That's out of Mississippi, out of Florence, Mississippi. If you've ever been there, it's just a little bit south of Jackson, Mississippi. This is probably some of the best sausage you ever made. It's called Maple Blueberry. Never had it, never heard of it. Fixing to find out what it's going to taste like. That's what our surprise is today. Man, look at that. Take it out of the pack and let you look at it. Man, I hope it's good. I'm going to try it. We're going to see if it's good. All right, here we go. We're going to start the show. What's up with this? I already cleaned it. Cleaned the grill. Put that maple blueberry sausage on. We put that on. Put these on. We'll have room for the steaks. Ain't time yet. Just grab them with my hands. It's just as easy to grab with my hands. There's 6 of them. Falling apart on me. Man, these things falling apart. It's hot too. Pretty warm. Just move around. There. Let's see what round 2 looks like in there. That's juicy. Good and juicy. Good. I like to juice mine out. Juicy. Keep it going. Don't let it dry out. Gives you a lot of flavor. I let them marinate about 2 hours. I feel like I better let them marinate overnight, but I didn't have all that much time to do it. Ooh, it's hot. It's just burning. It's really hot right there now. Ooh. Man, that was hot. Look at this. That thing burnt. Oh, I just did a third look. All right. Oh, man, look at that. Man, that smells good. Look at that. That looks really good. Oh, let's see what we got. It's about ready. Yeah. is over. Hang on. It's hot. I got to show you something on these steaks. I didn't pay attention to what the wrapper said. I just saw New York strips. Well, guess what? Guess what these steaks are? They're New York strips. Oh man, they're so thin. What is that? That's from the sausage. These things are so thin. I didn't realize I got thin cut. I wonder why they were $20 for 3 steaks. Look at that. They're still going to be good though. Just a little disappointed. I didn't pay attention. That was my fault. They were sitting right there with the thick cuts, and I was like, "Oh man, what a bargain! $20. Yeah." But anyway, we're gonna eat them anyway. They're gonna be good. That'll be fine. It's okay. I made a mistake. Didn't pay attention. Though I swear they looked like they were really thick in that package. They fooled me. They had me fooled, and I didn't read them. I just saw New York strips. I was in a hurry. That's all right. We're gonna eat them anyway. All right, those vegetable kebabs, they're ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. I move my camera to the side a little bit so I can actually get in there so you don't see my elbows and arms like you usually do. But I try to get in there. Look at there. About to fall apart. Man, oh man. All right, on these steaks, I'm just gonna keep it simple. Salt and pepper. I love salt and pepper. Keep it simple. Old thin breakfast steaks. They'll be good. 5 minutes are done. Salt. Pepper. Put just a little pepper on there. Just one of them for the kid. They want theirs done, so I want mine medium rare if I can get it. If I can get this thing medium rare, I'll do the best I can with what I got. We'll do what we can. There we go. All right, there we go. Get these 2 steaks on. I think this is done. D-O-N-E, done. Yeah, look at it falling apart. See it? Let me move this camera real quick. There we go. There we go. We got that. I don't want that elbow shot. I get tired of looking at when I edit this thing, I get the elbow shots in there. I'm like, oh, I can do a better job than that. Nobody want to see no daggone elbows and arms. But here we go. We'll put those on first. Got another one coming on. That'll be mine. I don't want mine done. I don't like done steaks, but I'll eat it if I have to, but I don't have to, so that's the way I'm going to cook mine is try to cook it rare. I mean, medium rare if I can. All right, guess what it's time for? We'll try this sausage. That thing, look at that sucker there, boy. It was burnt up on me. Oh, man, look at this. Ooh, yeah. Blueberry maple sausage. Never had anything like this. By Country Pleasing. About to find out what it tastes like. Also, we're going to try squash, bell pepper, onion, and red pepper. I'm going to try it all. Here we go. All right, here we go. I'm going to try this squash, grilled squash. Look at that. Looks good. Here we go. Take a bite. Yes. Oh my God. I can taste the flavors of the Italian dressing flavor. Whew. I can taste it. It's really good. Really good. All right, let's try this. Let's try the bell pepper. Red bell pepper. All right, here we go. There it is. Red bell pepper. Let's give it a taste test. Yeah, it's got a Still got just a little bit of a crunch to it. I like mine with a little crunch. I don't like it soggy. Eating my vegetables on the grill, I don't like soggy. I like just a little bit of bite, just a little crunch to it. I like that. Let me know what you like. Do you like it crunchy or do you like it soggy? I don't like mine soggy. Now let's try this. Let's try this green bell pepper. All right, here's the bell pepper, green bell pepper. Just got a little burnt on there. I like it, a little bit of burnt. Here we go. It's got a little crunch to it. I like that. All right, here's red onion. Yes. Oh, God, that was good. That red onion is really good. Crunchy, got a crunch to it. Ain't soggy. There we go. Let's try that maple blueberry country pleasing smoked sausage. Let's try that out. Here we go. All right, there it is. See it? You can see it if you get out of it and see if it'll focus on it. There we go. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. I'm about to find out. I'm going to tell you what it's like. There we go. Wow, it's really good. That is really good. You can definitely taste tastes like maple syrup. It's all covered all over. It's like smeared with maple syrup. Man, you can definitely taste that maple syrup in it. A hint of blueberry. Whew, I can taste it. It's really good. It's really good. Now, I like it, but it's not something I go, I gotta go buy it every day and eat it. I wouldn't eat it every day and buy it. It's really good. They have some other ones too. Some other flavors. I'm gonna try those too next time we grill. I'm gonna try one every time I grill. I think they got 4 or 5 of them. But yeah, that blueberry maple, it was good, very good. I wouldn't buy it all the time though, but it's just too sweet, too much sweet for me. I like the hickory or the jalapeno flavors and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely good. Man, I recommend it. Now let's try that steak. I recommend that. It's good. All right, here's my steak. I want mine medium rare. It might be a little rare, but I'll eat it anyway. We're gonna try a bite. Let's try this. Let me take a taste test and tell you what it's about. All right, here's that New York strip. Look at it. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Yeah. That'd be a little rare. I can eat it. I'll eat it. I like it. I'll eat it anyway. Doesn't matter. Let's try it. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yeah. Yeah, that New York strip, even though it's thin, it's still good. It's still good. I wanted it thick. I thought they were thick. That was my fault. It didn't look like it was thick. I grabbed them. I was in a hurry, so we got them. But they're thin. It's okay. Good. It's all that matters. All that matters is it tastes good to me. So there you go. That concludes the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.